at least for today.
Yeah, along with storm chances and flood watches here, the Gulf Coast is preparing for Hurricane Michael. Meteorologist Chris Reece is tracking the tropics for us this morning. Chris, good morning.
Good morning. That's right. We have been watching Michael. That developed over the weekend. It's now a hurricane. Here's where it is right now, just to the north of Cuba, south and west of Florida. It's Category 1 with winds of 90 miles per hour as we speak. The thing is, we are really expecting Michael to intensify. Here we are by the end of today. Really, this is 3:30. We're expecting Michael to be a Category 2 with winds around 105 miles per hour at that point. Then as we get you through tomorrow morning, we're expecting Michael to be a Category 3, winds of 115 miles per hour, gusting up to 140 miles per hour, then coming ashore along the Florida panhandle there, and then working its way across the south and east before becoming a tropical storm over some of the same areas that were just impacted by Hurricane Florence. So let's go ahead and show you some of the bulletins here. In the light shade, these are tropical storm watches. This dark red here, that's a tropical storm warning. Then you have hurricane warnings as well right around Panama City, along with some flash flood watches. And one of the things we'll watch for, in addition to the potential for flooding, is storm surge. Upwards just to the east of Panama City. We're looking at upwards of 9 feet of storm surge. Let's come down the bend of Florida just a little bit towards Cedar Key and Horseshoe Beach. That's where we could see 6 to 9 feet of some storm surge as well. It's really this entire bend of Florida that's going to be getting in on a pretty significant sea level rise ahead of the storm. And in addition to that, it is the heavy rain once again. So as we go through Friday morning, we're looking at anywhere from 5 to 10 inches of rain from the Florida panhandle all the way into eastern North Carolina once again. So this is something that we're going to be keeping a very close eye on. Michael does have the potential to become a major hurricane striking the U.S. shoreline less than a month after we had Florence come through. And sometimes it's not all about the category number. It's just about impact. And you will have millions of people in the path of this potential major hurricane.
It's a good reminder when we are dealing with all of these storms and this flooding, it could be so much worse. Look at what
it could be so much worse, and that's one of those other things I always encourage people. You know, when you go through the storms, it teaches you to appreciate the sunshine sometimes. So we'll get more of that, but it's going to be a long couple days along the Gulf Coast.
All right, we'll keep watching that. Thanks, Chris.
Absolutely.
Your time right now.